In this video, Parkside Performance, cordless 40 volt, not seen one of these before, and scooter mopeds here. What's this then? It's a battery operated. Another page, what we're getting on this one. And if you're a Parkside fan, you're gonna love this. Who's having some of these trainers?
Bit of a different video to the norm, and hopefully you find it interesting. I'm always curious about the little Parkside tools that are coming out in mainland Europe, where our friends in Germany, France, Italy, Spain managed to get hold of better tools. Or should I say more of a variety of tools, including Parkside Performance. Seems to be getting a bit better in the UK, but by all accounts, still a lot more we need over here. Are we missing out? So because I'm doing tool research into Parkside, more like I'm a bit nosy, I've gone through a few of the brochures Lidl release in different countries in Europe. Thought you might want to have a look as well. May give us an insight of what's to come. So fellow sheddies and tool lovers, to stop the waffle and get on with it. Oh, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, ring the bell. Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed.
So first of all, this is France from the 19th of March to the 25th of March. So we'll skip all the food and grocery stuff and on to the good stuff, Parkside tools. First of all, the hose pipe on a reel for €29.99. I've not seen these in the UK. Don't think in this style anyway. Comes with all the adapters. And of course, you can fix it to the wall as well. I can't read French, but it looks like it's quite a good quality hose. Next is a freestanding hose reel it's got wheels on the back so you can trundle it around, folds away for €25. I've actually got a hose lock one of these from years ago. I strapped it to the decking because it moves when you try pulling the reel out. And I put it on like 2 detachable clips, which worked all right actually. Next is all these connectors in different styles for €2. I've seen similar to these coming out in the UK. And I remember when they had the splitter connectors with little taps on in the UK. Next is the mower, and this is the mains version. For €55, with the Lidl Plus app, it's 45. But as we know in the UK, going by my last video, we've got the 20-volt cordless lawnmower coming out on the 26th of March. Next is this Sabre recip saw with the gripper for branches on top for €30. That's the 12-volt one. I actually got the 20-volt one. I've got a video on it on my channel. Now, I don't think I've seen one of these before for €140. All-in-one trimmer, hedge trimmer, and pruner. And we've seen all this sort of gardening stuff before. Planters and the wooden planters. But I've not seen one of these. A small picnic bench for €25 with the Lidl Plus app. And again, with the Lidl Plus app, this storage box for €25. Very handy for the back garden. Solar-powered floodlight there, LED. Right, next we're off to Germany from the 16th of March to the 21st of March. Skip the boring stuff and on to the tools. Oh, first of all, look at this garden furniture. Again, I can't read German, so I don't know what it says. Do you have to order that online in Germany? But there's some cracking outdoor furniture there. There's the picnic table for €35. That's a full-size one. And did you spot the ping pong table? Next, on to the tools, and look at the bottom there, Parkside Performance. We'll come on to that, but first, the extendable hedge trimmers. We've seen these in the UK. I've got them. I've got a video out on them, and they're coming out again in the UK this week. But have a look at this for €100. The Rotavator Cultivator. I've not seen one of these in the UK. And it's battery. It takes 2 batteries. 2 of the 20-volt ones to bring it up to 40-volt. Folds away quite easily. Nice. Next, we go to the 4-in-1 garden tool again. On the German website, we can look at it more in detail. It's 40 volts, so again, 2 batteries. But this one was €150. Now, I'm thinking back now, was that French one? Was that cordless as well? But anyway, have we seen this in the UK before? It comes with a strimmer and the brush cutter with the blade on there. Full harness, all the gear. Chainsaw pruner at the end there. Are these eventually going to come out in the UK? And if you are in mainland Europe, if you're in Germany, France, Belgium, wherever, please put your comments below, your experiences, your thoughts, whatever you like in the comments. It helps me and others. Right, next is the batteries. Now, this is the 20-volt one, and it says the 4 amp hour, but it is the smart battery. Yeah, it's smaller. So it'll be less weight, it'll be easier to handle, but it doesn't look like it's got much rubber on there for protection. Let us know if you've got one of them. Next is the Parkside Performance Chainsaw, cordless, 40 volts, so 2 20-volt batteries on there. Well, it don't come with them. For €80, but for £50, we've got the 20-volt normal Parkside chainsaw coming out this week, the 26th of March. I think I know what I'd rather have. But saying that, I looked at the review score out of 5, and you can see there it's 4.1 out of 5. So take it from that, whatever you like. A load more garden gear there, an umbrella, a canopy sail type thing. Seems quite cheap though, €10. And here's the box again, made by Levano. Gnomes and ornaments, we've seen them in the UK before. Solar lights, Back onto the tools though, look, it keeps on coming. Now I've got a laser measurer, but I've not got one like this from Parkside. Twice the price of the ones we've got in the UK. It's like a better screen on there, but if you notice, it's got the bit at the top there as well for going round corners, look. I'm pretty sure it works on a mirror inside there. But as you can see, you can measure the drop as well, like off a tabletop, and it looks like you can do curves. Is that right? I didn't realise you can do that. Anyway, if you got one, let me know. Next is the wet and dry vac. Now, we've seen these in the UK before, but I think this one's slightly cheaper at €39.99. And then we've got the decent laser level. And you'll notice it's black, so it's from the performance range. How odd would it be for a load of us to get a coach with a trailer on the back and go and buy a load of these tools? Or how do we get Lidl to start selling them in the UK? I mean, there's a few more coming through now, performance range in the UK, but we want more. I mean, I went to Future and I found a load of Parkside performance tools. Now, here's a bit of a difference, look. Here's the impact wrench. And these are on sale in the UK at the minute, but they come with a 4-amp-hour battery and the charger for only about 18 quid more when you do the exchange rate. Not seen one of these before for €40. It's the digital torque wrench. Is that a good price for €40? It's got 4.4 out of 5. Next is the air compressor. I know a lot of you have been asking about when these are coming out next. 4.7 out of 5. For €130, and it says, I think that's right, yeah, silent compressor. Comes with all the attachments as well. So that's the majority of tools on that page. Then it goes to suitcases and the like, and then another page. So here's the starter set of the impact wrench, and this one comes with the 4-amp-hour battery and the charger. About the same price, it's €70. It's in the UK at the minute for £60. I've done a video on that, it's in my playlist. And then next is the 12-volt ratchet wrench for €30. This one seems cheaper than one in the UK, and which is out at the minute in Lidl. Impact sockets there, and they're protected ones by the looks of it. Torque wrench there for €20, 15 in the UK. I bought one of them, it's in my last video. Thanks to everyone who mentioned in the last video. Yes, there is 5 pieces in there. Can't add up. And are they tyre warmers? And another page. We've seen all this sort of gear before, so we won't go over that again. Then ratchet straps are out in Lidl at the minute. Same as the magnetic work light there. Got one of them. I showed it in the last video. Okay, sticking with Germany, but this is from the 23rd to the 28th of March. Skip all the food stuff and then on to, mountain bikes and mopeds. And for that price, it's got to be electric. There's different styles on there, as you can see. I'm pretty sure we've never had any of this sort of stuff in the UK. And scooter mopeds here, look, 3 different styles and a 3-wheeler one there, look. Anyway, back to the tools. And there's some gear here we've not seen before. What's this then? Well, it's cordless and it needs 2 of the 20-volt batteries because it's 40-volt, doesn't come with the batteries, and it's a pump. As you can see, the 2 batteries go under the cover at the rear. How handy would this be in the UK? Maybe you're, using it in the garden, if you're in a remote area or on the allotment, or if you're cleaning out your pond. Here's the cordless long-reach pruner, but that's coming out in the UK anyway, without batteries. I say pruner, but more like a mini chainsaw in different angles. And I wonder, have you ever seen one of these? An all-in-one mower and strimmer. 20 volts, cordless, doesn't come with a battery. I suppose it'd be handy if you've only got a small lawn or a small garden. It will certainly save on space as well. Have you ever seen one? Any other brands do these? Doesn't look like it's got a collection box, but I suppose that doesn't matter if you've only got a small garden. Have you ever seen these from Parkside or anywhere? It's a battery-operated seed sprinkler or grass seed sprinkler. Well, I think it is, just by going by the pictures. Or for sprinkling anything in your garden. Obviously, it don't come with a battery. It's the 20-volt one. Have you ever seen one? Have you ever used one? Put your comments below. It helps us all. Next is the garden sucker blower vac thing with the big bag. We've seen these before, but this one looks like a bit of a beast. 4.4 out of 5. In the reviews, can't be bad. €100 with a little plus out. Next is the mains version of the hot air gun. And the only reason I'm showing you this, because this hasn't come out in the UK for a while, and you can use it as a weed burner as well, and for igniting your barbecues. I've got one of these. I did a review on it years ago. And another page. What are we getting on this one? It's another water pump. A mains version. I suppose you use this if you're getting water from a well or from a tank. It's got 4.7 out of 5 and it's €140. I say pump, but is it just to increase the pressure of your water supply? Is it similar to those pumps that you use on a hot water tank when you want to get the pressure up for your shower? Put your knowledge below. Hosepipe, we've already seen that. Next is the Parkside Performance Pruner. I was going to get that from Furniture Fuerteventura when I was there, but it wasn't in stock. Maybe it'll come out in the UK one day. If so, I'll give it a bash. Next, another Parkside performance tool, and I've not seen this before. And if you're a Parkside fan, you're going to love this. A backpack for 20-volt batteries to turn it into a 40-volt battery system that you can plug into things like strimmers, and I suppose the 40-volt chainsaws as well. Interesting. Seems a bit big, though, just for a few batteries. See now, look, the adapters go onto the tool itself and then lead into the battery pack. Still seems a bit big, but anyway, suppose you're going to save on the way to the tool. €70 for this compact pressure washer. It's quite compact, that. It's got a little handle on top to carry it about. 4.6 out of 5. And I see a word in the title there, silent. Is it a quiet one? Let us know if you've got one. And here's a tool that I showed in a few videos back. I've not got one. I'd like one. It's the 20-volt garden sprayer. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I like backpack stuff. I've made backpacks for my Parkside vac and also my Parkside pressure washer. Here's that recip saber saw again with the tree grabber or branch grabber, but this is the 20-volt one. This is the one I've got. And again, it's in a video in my playlist on my channel. And for a true test of a Parkside fan who's having some of these trainers, if they come out in the UK, they're pretty stylish. They're better than the ones that have come out before over here. Next, we're off to Belgium. We've got the Parkside Performance drill in there. And how about this if you're into cycling? A cycle carrier for 4 bicycles for €275. A lot of these tools we've seen before, except for the cordless electrician screwdriver. I've got that. It's in my playlist. I managed to bring it back on the plane from Fuerteventura. And what about this? The 40-volt mower. For €190, got a bit more range in the back garden. The heavy-duty chipper shredder, it's a lot bigger than the one we've seen in the UK. And finally, the petrol-powered rotavator cultivator. When are these coming in the UK? Right, for the giveaway, I've got this screwdriver bit set. Take phones apart and laptops apart with these. This is from Aldi. And, of course, the sticker, Tool Lover. If you want to be entered, just put I'm in below in the comments. I'm in on its own or I'm in and something else after it, whatever you like. And I'll announce the winner in another video. I never announce it in the comments and I never get in touch with you. I only announce it in another video. Right, let's do the results from the last giveaway. So as usual, I use a random comment picker on the Tinternet. And this time the winner is Topcat-MX9QZ. Send me an email. It's in the description below. Well done.
So certainly a lot of tools there I haven't seen. Good to see a lot of them coming out in the UK, and who knows, this year we might see them. Still thinking about taking a van over to Europe though. Loads of other countries we can look at as well, and in upcoming weeks. Shall I make another video like this later down the line when the next tool releases come out? Let me know in the comments below, and anything else you like below helps me and others. I picked up some tools from Aldi, believe it or not. I had a quick walk around store. That video is probably coming out tomorrow, maybe the next day. So make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. You don't want to miss out. And while you're at it, give me a thumbs up. Helps me out massively. I'll put a link on the screen now to my other tool reviews, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers!
See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.